I will also need some miniature roses like these. This is 2.5 mm hook and a 3 plier. First make a slip stitch and I'm going to make 11 chains. I have here 11 chains. Now I will insert my hook in the second chain and I will yarn over and make 2 double crochets in the third chain. The first 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet, so it means we are making actually 3 double crochets in one chain. Now in the next chain yarn over again and in the next chain make 3 double crochets. Now I will keep making 3 double crochets in every chain till I reach the end of this chain. I am now on the last stitch. So I have made 3 double crochets in every chain, and now I will just chain one and pull out some tail, pull out a tail and cut off the yarn. Now just roll this whole thing in. I will just roll it in like this, and there it makes a miniature rose. To hold it in place, I'll just insert the crochet hook from the end of this part, the inner part. I'll just insert it through the center all the way down, and I'll pull up a thread, any thread like this. Now I will again insert the hook from the back side and I'll bring it inside here and I'll pull this thread back down. So this will hold the rose in its place. It will create this swirly design on top. And I'm going to tie these two ends so that it doesn't open again. And cut off the extra thread. So there, our tiny rose is ready.